So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, I am Christine, and so if you're curious, we're outside at the back porch because I don't want to burn my house. So we're gonna do something different today, guys. So that's why we're outside. I'm sorry about the noise that you can hear. There's a crow up the tree, so ignore that. So if you want to know what we're gonna do today, just keep on watching. So guys, I'm a Filipina, obviously. I grew up in the Philippines. I just moved here in United States, in Colorado. So guys, if you know, if you live in the Philippines, if you're a Filipina or Filipino, whatever you call that, so we have a tons of superstitious belief that we do believe. Actually, I do believe it too. So on today's videos, guys, we're gonna do something different today. So let's talk about bay leaves. It's really popular in social media that bay leaves give luck for your life. So I actually do believe it. So it doesn't matter if you do not believe it or not. It's up to you. If you believe it, go for it. So like, yeah, like, why if I'm gonna try it too. And so normally we're gonna write down what wishes you want to be granted in the bay leaves. And yeah, I have pen and lighter, and actually I forgot one thing, a candle. So so yeah guys, I'm just gonna grab a candle and let's go start our vlog today. Kung ano-anong marinig nyo guys na ingay kasi nasa labas ako, nasa likod ako ng bahay. So ayan na guys, nagbabalik ako. Meron na akong candle, and then lighter, pen, and then the bay leaves. Nilagay ko siya sa plate. So we're gonna do maybe I'm just gonna do 3 bay leaves. So I'm gonna write down what the things that I want to be granted, and we're gonna burn it with candle, guys. So yeah. So guys, I forgot to tell you about Filipino superstitious belief. I forgot to tell you a little bit example for it. So I'm back. So I'm inside the house now because it's so hot outside, and it has a lot of weird noise, like neighbors cutting the grass. So here's the example about Filipino superstitious belief, guys. Like for example, if you're pregnant, you cannot do put towels around your neck because they're saying the baby gonna come out like instead of, you know, the baby normal delivery, the baby come out head first. And if you do this, you put it all around your neck all the time if you're pregnant, they're saying that your baby gonna come out like your baby gonna come out feet first instead of head first. It's gonna come out feet first. So that's the crazy Filipino superstitious belief that actually some of it believe it, some of them they don't. But in the Philippines, we have tons of superstitious belief that we actually believe. We actually believe it. So now I do not believe it all of it, but some of it I believe it. So this is that Filipino type how I grow up, because that's how we're in the Philippines. So that's it for you guys. I forgot to put a little bit example for Filipino superstitious beliefs. So I'm just gonna add this clip on my video, and yeah. So guys, let's start. I'm gonna pick a bay leaves. I'm gonna write it down here. Hopefully these ones work. This pen is too big, so more more subscribers. What else will I write? Healthy life and money, of course. Who wants? Everybody love money because that's really important. And this is silly, guys. Okay, I want new camera. I love camera, guys. I'm sorry, I love camera. New camera. So I think that's it, guys. So I already have 4 bayleaves that I write it down for you guys. So let's go and check it out, guys. Tapos meron pa tayong money. I want $1 billion. I want $1 million, guys. That's noise gonna be on my audio, guys. I'm sorry about that noise. There you go, guys. So ito na, guys, yung ano niya. Ito na yung ano, tapos itatapon natin siya dito. Itatapon ko na lang siya dito. Bye! So, wala na, guys. Tinapon ko na. It's done. So guys, that's it for our bayleaf vlog today. So, kasi sa ating mga Pilipino, marami tayong, we have tons of superstitious belief that I believe it because I grew up in the Philippines and we do believe the superstitious belief, which is kind of like crazy, but it's up to you if you wanna believe it or not. Nothing wrong with it. If you want to do this, should try it, whatever. It's not gonna do anything. If you wanna try it, go ahead. It's up to you. If you believe it or not, nothing's gonna affect anything. So yeah, so that's why I'm excited to try it too. And I don't care. I don't care about people wanna say, but I do believe it. That's how I grow up in the Philippines, and I believe a superstitious belief too. Not all of them, some of them. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Sorry, we're like the maintenance on the back door that they're cutting the grass, so you can hear the noise and everything. So yeah, guys. Oh, the sun is up and I love it. So I wrote down a healthy life, money, and new camera, which is really, if you know, guys, I love cameras, guys. So it's just me. I love cameras, I love electronics, and yeah, I wish I have a new camera. So that's why I wish, because I do love camera, so I wish I write it down that I want a new camera. Even I'm okay with my camera that I'm using right now. I love it and it's a very good camera, but I still want another camera. So yeah guys, magkwentuhan muna tayo dito sa labas. Ang init sa labas. It's hot today. So I think I'm just gonna end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching for my last videos, guys, that I recently uploaded. Maraming salamat for watching, and I do appreciate it. So, and also thank you for watching this video, and yeah. So bye for now, guys. Bye.